Hi friends, this is Abdul Ghafoor. Today we'll be talking about elevation as an absolute number, but relief is relative. So here you can see the description that it depends on the other landforms that are nearby. Means relative location, that means that one elevation has to be compared with another elevation, or one height is compared to the another relative landform. So that can be analyzed through width, height, and the features of the landform and how it appeared or represented. The width of the colors on physical map usually shows the relief. So the different colors, okay, they are showing the maps. I'll show you here that how these maps are, okay, they are showing. You can see here in the multiple map, okay, so just Google it, okay, and you can easily identify that which areas that shows the highest land. For example, we are taking, okay, this map. Now these colors that shows the water, which is a sea level. However, the green color that shows, okay, that the flat land, okay, and these are yellow color, they are showing the highlands, okay, and however this dark, uh, the orange color or like that, okay, that shows the mountainous areas, that the peak or the highest mountains areas, okay. So these different colors, okay, a map on the map shows the different elevation. So you can say the sea level, the ground level, hills, and these are the mountains. Another sense, if you want to compare, okay, the relief, that you have to compare this green color with the yellow color, and the difference between these two elevations, okay, will be the relief. So relief always is compared to the other elevation or other landforms, as we have learned in the previous lesson that how to calculate the relief, and we have calculated, okay, in between plain and plateau and the mountain. So it's a similar but relative, which means that compare with the another nearby, okay, what is another or next landform. So the difference between these two landforms that shows the relief. However, we'll go here. You can see here that relief is a relative number, which always is compared with the another highest point or another landform. So if you're going to calculate, okay, this mountainous area or the highland with the this mountainous peak, the difference between, okay, so if it is individual we cannot compare. So elevation is always, okay, as a different level, and so relief is a relative number which compare or calculate with the other or nearby the landforms. Similarly, the elevation is an absolute number. Absolute number is an exact number. What is the current height of that one? You can see here the Mount Everest, as you know that it has, 29,029 feet and 8,840 meters. So that is its exact measurement or height of that peak. It's not compared with another location, it's not compared with another landform, it's not compared with the another elevation. So it is exact and absolute, okay. So it's a similar like that absolute location and relative location. So relative location is always compared to the nearest landmark or famous landmark, which mostly we use, okay, conventionally. and the absolute number which shows the exact location, that is where it's located. While we use the GPS and all these things, which is the spotting on the Google map, and if you have any GPS software, okay, you can see that what exactly location that shows the street number, and which road, which exit, which entry. Okay, so here, once again, relief is the relative number which always compared with the another landform or the features of the land or another elevations. Okay, however, the elevation is the absolute number, which is the exact number, exact height of the elevations. Like a Mount Everest, okay, it's the absolute number, and it has this one, so it's not compared by another one. So friends, this is the lesson, okay, today, about the difference between elevation is absolute number and the relief is a relative number, and how you should know that this is the exact number or absolute elevation, and this is the relief is an. If you have any question regarding this lesson, please don't forget to write the question and comment on the if you didn't subscribe yet, okay, please, for more videos you have to subscribe and like. We'll be meeting in the next lesson. Till that, bye.